How to unlock Blackmagic camera shutter speed. So if you lock your Blackmagic camera shutter speed and now you want to unlock it, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to unlock your shutter speed on the Blackmagic camera is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera. Now once open the Blackmagic camera, locate the shutter speed and here you should see the shutter. So my shutter speed is locked and I have 1/48. Now to unlock the shutter speed, just locate the shutter button and then click on it. Once you click on that, then you should see where the shutter speed is locked. Come here, locate the lock button and then click on it once to unlock the shutter speed. Once you unlock the shutter speed, you can now come here again, adjust the shutter speed to your choice on the screen. So you see that? So there you go, the darker it becomes. So if you want something bright, then a shutter speed of 1/24 isn't bad. And once you're done, then you can now exit the page. But if you want to keep this shutter speed forever, just come here and click on lock. And this is going to lock the shutter speed. Whether you exit the Blackmagic camera or not, the shutter speed will remain locked. So just click on this lock button to unlock it. So that's basically how to unlock shutter speed on Blackmagic camera. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.